Today I'm going to show you how we're going to install the Midnight Forest fly rod holder. This is super simple to install. Right now we're going to be putting it onto this tracked roof rack. So you'll see the slots down the center. We're just going to line that right up on one of the tracks. I'm going to take my 4 carriage bolts, slide them into the tracks. It's always good when you can to spread out the bolts as much as you can, just so it's nice and secure. And I'm going to set the holder right over the bolts. And then all we're gonna do is take these steel plates, put them over the 2 bolts, washer and nut over each bolt, and we're gonna tighten those down. So we have our nuts tightened down on this steel plate. Now this is optional, but your kit comes with these lock plates. So what this does is covers up the nuts with a steel plate. And then you just take your lock, slide it in, and twist it. So now this cannot be removed unless you unlock it first with your key. So we have the front and rear bracket on. We got the lock plates on. That's it. Super simple. That's how you install the rod holder. If you also have crossbars, we have U-brackets that you just wrap around the U-bracket and it's just gonna bolt down the same way. And if you're gonna bolt it down through slotted panels, it's gonna be the carriage bolts are just gonna slide through the panel. It can bolt to the side, it can bolt on top. And then you can move these mounts anywhere up and down this whole track. So it's gonna match to pretty much anything. If you have smaller tracks like a Prinsu rack, that's gonna be a 1/4 inch carriage bolt. Any hardware store will have them. Extrusion overland is 5/16. If you have any questions, just email us or comment on this video.